I'm Kendra, I'm one of the nurse practitioners here at Renew Aesthetics, and today we're going to talk about FemiWave. So FemiWave is a treatment for women that may have experienced dryness or want an improvement in their sexual health. It's a device that uses low-intensity sound waves to actually increase blood circulation in the area and causes more nerve endings to be formed. So after treatments, women are improved with the dryness in that area and sexual health. Patients have actually talked about seeing results even after their first treatment. Patients notice more sensitivity in their area after treatment. They notice that they're not quite as dry in that area. So one treatment, they're seeing something, but we typically recommend about 3 treatments once a month. There's not a lot of downtime with this FemiWave treatment. You come in, you can go about your day, you can do it on a lunch break, and you might have some mild soreness afterward for maybe 24 hours, and that's it. If you have more questions about FemiWave, just give us a call or go to our website and schedule an appointment.